Hello guys, today we are gonna discuss the update statement where we will see what is exactly the update statement, the different, what is the syntax and the different examples. So by which we can clear out what is going to be the output in different ways by using the update statement. Let's see. The update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. Yes. The update statement where we use that when if we want to update any record in a table. Let's say it is our table and this is the data entries in that table. If we want to change any data or any entry or any record in that table, we're going to use update statement. Let's see the syntax of update statement. The update, that is the keyword update, then the table name, then the set. Yes. Set is a additional keyword which is used with update. It will set out, yani update out these values. Okay, see what is that? Column 1. This is the column number name. This is the column name, another column name, and this is the value in that column which we have to set or update. But on what basis? This is the where condition. On that condition, we have to check this condition, and according to that condition, whatever we got a new rows in a new table, then it will go for the this column, and it update all these value in this column and this value in this column. Okay, so let's take an example. Update employees, update employee tables. Okay, then set update karna hai, then set CNAME, that is the attribute name or column name, which is equal to John. We have to set the value John in CNAME, and then country is equal to China, that is we have to set China value in a country column. But where? This is the condition where CID, that is CID is equal to 004. Okay, it will move to this table and first found out where is the CID which is having the value 004. Let's see. This is the CID and it has the value 004. Okay, and after that it will move to there. It will go there and see. It will change the country. There is the attribute country and set X value to China. So it will set X value to China. Firstly we have USA, so it will update or set the value to China. See. Okay, then after that it will go to CNAME and it will update the value to John. See, so this is the basically the updated table after this query. Okay guys, so remember first thing, in after this query it's not going to show only this 004 John and China. No, it is an update command. It will not go to show you the table. It will update this command or update the table inside it. It's not going to show this is the updated table after this. No, you have to select star from employees to see all the updated material or the commands or the you can say the values under that attributes. Okay guys, see. Now after that there is another way, that update multiple records. If we want to update multiple records due to one query, see this. Update employees in the same manner. Update employees set CNAME is equal to Sean. We have to set CNAME, that is customer name, into the Sean, where country is equal to USA. Okay, what it will do? First it will go to the country attribute. It will go to the country attribute. It will find out where is the USA. There is a USA. Another one, no. Okay, I update something here for having the full idea of this query. Let's see, this is the your table. Okay, then it move to this table and first what it will find out, it will go to the country column and see where is the USA. Here is the USA, here is the USA. Okay, it find out the two row with the same values. Okay, in that it will move to the backward side and found out CNAME. Where is the CNAME is John, here is the CNAME is Vank. So it will update these value with the Sean. Okay guys, so John will be replaced with the Sean and here Vank is replaced with Sean again. So this is the final output after that. This is the updated table. Okay, let's move to the very important query based on update. Remember, sometime in questions comes in this way, so sometimes student think it is a wrong query, but I will tell you how it is a correct query. See, update employees set country is equal to India. What this query says you कि go you have to update the employees table, set you have to set yani you have to update country in a country column is equal to India, but there is not any where condition. Remember, sometimes students think that it is a wrong syntax or wrong query because as per the syntax there should be a where condition. No, it is not the compulsory. What exactly this query will do? It will move to the country column. Going for the updating the employees, it will move to the country column and it will set all the values to India, whatever value it contains before, but the new updated value will be India in every row. Okay, see how. Here is a USA which is not equivalent to India, so we will change it to India. Okay, after that Germany is also not equivalent to India. See, it will be updated. This is the India. No need to change India here. This is a China, change to India. Here is a China again, then move to India. Here is India, to change its value to India. So this is the new our updated table after this query. So remember, I am again telling you that this is not the wrong query. You will get the output after this. This will be the updated table after this query. Don't misunderstand that there is a where condition. It has to be where condition in every query which is related to update or set. No, there is no need of using the where condition every time. If you want to change completely a column, if you want to completely change a column, you can go through these values. Okay, this is basically that queries. Okay guys, this is all about the update statement, or in many ways we can use that. As per we move to the new videos, we will see how update will be used, but after this video we will going to discuss the delete statement. Okay, so get ready for the delete statement for the new videos. If you like my videos, please share and like the channel, and please follow the playlist of these videos, and the link is under the description. Thank you.